All right, let's get your awesome code out there. Time to publish your first NPM package.
So you've built something amazing. You head to npmjs.com and, wait, where's the upload button?
Yes, spoiler alert, there isn't one. The whole thing happens somewhere else entirely. That's right, all the magic happens right from your command line terminal. And hey, don't sweat it, it's literally just 3 simple commands. Let's walk through them. Okay, step 1 is easy. You've got to log in. Just type npm login. This basically just tells NPM, hey, it's me, by connecting your computer to your account. All right, next up, npm run build. This is where we get your code ready for prime time. This command crunches your code down, making it way smaller and faster for everyone else. What you get is a tight, optimized file. It's totally ready for production. And now for the grand finale, the moment of truth, npm publish. And boom, just like that, your package is live for the entire world to use. Seriously, congrats. You are now officially an open source contributor. How cool is that? But wait, what if you shipped a bug? Or just need to take it back? There is a way, but listen up. You have to be really careful with this command. Yep, you heard that right. The clock is ticking. You don't have forever to do this. You get a 72-hour window. After that, it's pretty much permanent, which protects everyone using it. So let's recap the 3 magic commands: login, build, and publish. That's it.
So now you know how. The power is in your hands. What amazing thing will you share?